Okay, welcome to makeitbreakitfixit.com. We're connecting up the Raspberry Pi serial interface to the Arduino serial interface. Now there's two ways of doing it. The first is using the power from the computer and then connecting up only the serial to the Raspberry Pi. This is good for testing, so that way you can use the serial monitor on your computer. This is the first way you'd want to do it, just for testing, and then later on you can disconnect that. So first we want to connect the wire to the fourth pin from the top on the right hand row here. So this is the right hand row of GPIO pins. The fourth one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Connect that there. That's the transmit wire on the Raspberry Pi, and that connects to the receive on the Arduino, and you can see it over here. It's RX. Then the pin below the transmit on the Raspberry Pi, which is the fourth from the top on the right hand row, is the receive, and that goes to the transmit of the Raspberry Pi, of the Arduino. And then the ground, which is the third pin from the top on the right hand row of the Raspberry Pi, must go to the common ground on the Arduino. You have to remember to put the ground, otherwise it won't work. Okay, once that's done, you should be able to use the serial monitor on Arduino to see the serial input and output. Once you've confirmed everything is working, you can then disconnect the computer from the Arduino and connect up the power, which is the very top right hand pin on the Raspberry Pi, to the power rail on the Arduino. That way the Arduino pulls its power from the Raspberry Pi. This is how it's going to be set up in the wild. Thank you.